Good morning, students. Welcome again in the virtual class of Social Science. Chapter 12, Conquering Distances. And we were discussing in this chapter different means of transport. Now, we will discuss waterways. In earlier times, ships were dependent on wind to sail. Means if a ship is going to sail in ocean or sea, so it has to be dependent on the direction of wind. The direction of the wind played an important role. Later, steam energy was used, means engine was used and the steam energy was used. But now boats and ships move fast with powerful diesel engines. Now the engine that run ships and boats, they have powerful diesel engines. Modern ships can transport hundreds of people and tons of goods to far away places. You can see this is a big ship and it can carry thousands of people at the same time to far away place. Waterways are less costly than airways, but they take longer time. Moreover, they are only available near rivers, seas or other water bodies. It means if there is water body, only then you can avail this facility, otherwise you have to depend on other means of transport. You can see in the picture in this on your screen, boat, yacht, shikara, motorboat, jet, scooter, warcraft, cruise, passenger ships. There are so many means of water transport you can see on your screen. Next is waterways. Means of transport that fly in the air like aeroplanes, helicopter and glider are called the airways. Airways are the fastest means of transport. They can take us to faraway places within or outside India in a short span of time. But air travel is costly. You can go faraway places in short span of time, but this is costly. Story of aeroplane. Wilbur and Orville Wright, they were two brothers. Okay, I think you have studied, you have read this story in your English book also. Wilbur and Orville Wright invented the airplane, which they called the flying machine. The first ever plane was in air for 12 seconds and covered a distance of 120 feet. You can see first airplane picture also. Wilbur and Orville, they were two brothers and all over the world they are known as Wright brothers. You can see different means of airways. The choice of the vehicle depends on the distance and time. Whatever the vehicle you want to use, it depends on distance and time. If you have to travel to a far away place, then you cannot travel by an auto rickshaw or bicycle. You will have to travel by a bus, car, train, aeroplane, etc. Thousands of people travel every day. You are a young child, but still you may be traveling every day, not in this lockdown period, but when your school were open and you had to travel. Modern means of transport have made traveling easy and comfortable. Each and every part of the world is well connected by roadways, railways, waterways, or airways, but they create pollution. You can help in reducing the pollution and saving the environment. Do not use a vehicle if you have to go to some close by place. You can walk or use a bicycle. You will save fuel and remain fit. So, you have to read the chapter twice or thrice carefully. After that, we will do back exercise and question answers in next e lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.